How to create quiz in Quizmaker. All that you have to do is to simply come and then press on the start to start the quiz. So this is the first quiz. What you have to do is to simply read it. After reading it, come down here and then come and select your answer. After selecting it, come and then press on the next. Okay, it will take you to the second quiz. You read it, select the answer, and then come and press on the next. To take you to the third quiz, you read it, you come and then select the answer just like this one, and then come and then press on the next. It will take you to the final quiz, you read it, you come down, you select your answer. After selecting the answer just like this one, come down here and then come and press on the see results. Okay, now you're going to see the final results. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create your own quiz just like this. So from your website, simply take the mouse to the name of your website and then come and then select dashboard. Okay, so from the dashboard, what you have to do is to simply come here to where we have the plugins. Okay, just like this one, and then come and select add new plugin. So from the plugins, simply come here to where we have the search plugins and then come and search for Quizmaker. If you haven't already installed the plugin, simply search it, and then when it comes, simply come and select this one. Okay, and then come here to where we have the install now and then come and click on it. So it is going to install. Wait for it to finish installing. Just as you can see, it is installing. After it finishes installing, simply come and then press on the activate. Okay, by clicking on it, it is going to be activated, and then you can see it from the post. Under it we have Quizmaker. Come and then press on it. Okay, so we have successfully installed our Quizmaker plugin, and I'm going to show you step by step how to create the quizzes. Okay, so when you come here to the Quizmaker, we have under it, we have quizzes, we have questions, we have quiz categories, and then we have question categories. What you have to do is that first you have to create your question categories first. Okay, so just press on it, and then it is going to take you right here to the categories. So you can come and then click on add new, and then over here what you have to do is to simply come and then add your categories. Okay, so the first thing I have to do is to simply add a title, okay, of the question category by putting it right here. So I'm going to call my first category as test your knowledge. Okay, so after writing it here, what you have to do is to simply come to the description and then come and describe what you mean by test your knowledge. Okay, so I'm going to write something here, and then you can take your time, pause the video, and then look at it. So from the status, to come and make sure that it is published, and then simply come here to where we have the save and close. You can press on save and close, or you can press on save and new to create a new category, but I'm simply going to press on save and close. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully created our question category, and then this is the description. Okay, so after creating the category, what you have to do now is that you have to come and then create your quiz category by pressing on the quiz category to bring you here to the quiz categories. And then when you come here, you see that we have add new here. Simply come and then press on the add new. Okay, and then over here, just like the question category, what you have to do is to first add your title to it. Okay, so simply come and then put your title here. So this is what I'm going to call mine. Okay, that is a general knowledge. What do you know? And then you have to come to the description and then come and then describe what you mean by that by putting it right here. So you can pause the video and then look at mine to take inspiration from it, and then from the category status, make sure that it is published just like this one. Okay, and then come down here and then come and press on save and close. Okay, so after that, what you have to do is that, as you can see from here, we have successfully created our quiz category, and then we have our description here as well. Okay, so after that, what you have to do is that we have to come to the Quizmaker again, and then we have to come and then create our questions. Okay, by simply coming to select the questions. So when you select the questions, you see that it will take you to the questions just like this one. But one thing that you will notice is that the plugin has automatically created some questions for us which we don't need it. So we have to come and then clear everything. As you can see, it is published. We don't need it on our website. So all that you have to do is to simply come and then check the questions box just like this one, check it, and then from the bulk action, okay, simply go to the bulk action and then come and then press on the down arrow. Okay, so when you press on it, come and then select on publish. Okay, so after selecting it, come and then press on apply. Okay, so when you click on it, you will see that from the status, you are going to say that it has been unpublished, just like this one. Okay, that is good. Now we have to delete it. So to delete it, what you have to do is to simply come and then check the questions box again, and then from the bulk action, come and press on the down arrow and then come and select delete. Okay, and then come and then click on apply. Okay, just like this one. It is going to ask you, do you want to delete it? Yes, we want to delete it. So simply come and then press on OK, and then it is going to be deleted. So as you can see, we have successfully deleted the plugin questions. Now from the questions, when you come down here, we have add new, come and then click on it. Okay, so when you click on it over here, what you have to do is that from the general settings, under it we have the questions. In front of it we have add image. Simply come and then click on the add image and then add your question image. Okay, so you can simply come here to the media and then come and then click on upload files. Okay, so from the upload file, simply come and then select the file by clicking on select file and then select the image that you want to use, and this is the image that I want to use. So after selecting the image, it is going to show just like this one. What you have to do is to simply come and then optimize the title by writing the title that you prefer for the image. Okay, after that, copy that same title and then come and put it at the caption side. Okay, so come and paste it here and then come and then paste it at the description as well. Okay, by pasting it, the next thing is to simply come down here to where we have insert into post and then come and then click on it. Okay, so it is going to be inserted into the post just like this one, and then what you have to do is to simply come and then add our question by simply putting it right here. So this is the first question. Simply type it in. I am going to zoom in for you to see, just like this one. You can pause it to look at how the question is. Okay, so after that, what you have to do is to simply come and then select the question type. Okay, so we have different types that you can choose by simply coming to click on this and then you can select any of them. My first type of question is going to be a true or false type. Okay, so I'm going to select that one, and then when you come here to the answers, you have to come and then select the correct answer. Okay, so you have to come and then check the box to select the correct answer. So we have the options, that is a true or false kind of a question, and then come and then check the answer by simply checking the circle just like this one. And after checking the answer, what you have to do is to simply come and then see the question weights. Okay, so each question carry 1 mark. Okay, and then after that, simply come here to the question category and then come and select it. So we have already created our category already, so let's come and then select it. Okay, that is the main reason why we first create our categories first before we create the questions. Okay, so the next thing is to simply come and then put in your question title right here. It is just going to be shown in the table but not in the question. Okay, so that you can identify it. After that, you can simply come and then press on the save and close. But since we want to create more questions, simply come and then click on save and new to create more questions. Okay, so let's create another question by simply adding the image first and then go through the same process by simply coming to click on upload file. Okay, so when you click on it, you can simply come here and then come and then click on select file and then come and select the image that we want to use for our question. Okay, so this is the image that I have selected, and then when you select it, it is going to show up just like this one, just like the first one. What you have to do is to now optimize the title for the image by putting in the name that you prefer at the title, copy that same thing and then come and paste it at the caption just like this one. After that, come and then paste it at the description and then come down here and then come and then click on insert into post. Okay, so it is going to be inserted, and what you have to do is to simply come and then write your question. Okay, so I'm simply going to zoom in for you to see. You can pause it to read and then take inspirations from my question as well. Okay, so when you are done, what you have to do is to simply come and then select the question type. Okay, so the first question was a true or false, and then the second one I'm going to simply change it to something like a checkbox kind of a question, just like this one. So after I select it, what I'm going to do is that you have to go to the answer and then you have to come and then select the correct answer. Okay, but since this one is different from the true or false kind of a question, I have to come and then manually type in the answers. Okay, so we have 3 options, the first one, the second one, and the third one. By putting it right here, what you have to do now is that you have to come and then select the correct answer, okay, by simply coming here to check the box indicating that this one is the correct answer. So after checking the box, what you have to do is to simply come down here and then you have to enable maximum selection number so that people will know exactly the number that they are supposed to select, okay, by simply coming to check the box right here and then come and then put in the maximum value, okay. Since the correct answer is only one, I just want them to select only one as the maximum, and then after that come and then enable minimum selection number so that they know that they have to select at least one or two by checking the box and then come and then put it right here. That is the minimum value, okay. So I simply want to let them select only one, just like this one. After that, come to the question weight and then come and make sure that it is one, and then come to the question category and then come and select the question category. Since we have already created our category already, simply come and then select the category, and that is why we always create the categories first before the questions, okay. And then come here to where we have the question title and then come and put in the title that you prefer. So this is my question title. After that, simply come here to where we have the save and new and then press on it. So I'm simply going to create more questions just for this tutorial, okay. So after creating more questions, the last one, instead of me to simply come and then press on save and new, I'm not going to press on save and new, I'm simply going to press on save and close so that I end the questions, okay. So as you can see, we have successfully created our questions here, and then what you have to do now is to simply come to the quiz maker and then come and then click on the quizzes so that we create our first quiz, okay. So from the quizzes here, when you come down here to you can see that the plugin has automatically created some quiz for us, which it is not related to our niche. We don't want it, so we simply have to delete it by simply coming to check the title box, go to the bulk action and then come to where we have the unpublished, come and select it, then come and then click on apply, okay. So when you click on it, the next thing is to simply come and then check the title box again, go to the bulk actions, click on the down arrow and come and select delete and then come and click on apply so that it will be deleted for us. It is going to ask us, do you want to delete it? Yes, come and then click on the OK, and we have successfully deleted it. Now let's add our new one by clicking on add new, okay. So it says that add new quiz, and over here we have a lot of options. We have the general, we have all of these that we can use to customize our quiz, but we are not going to do that because most of them is having the upgraded version of Quizmaker, okay. So just go to the general and then come here to where we have the title and come and then put in the first quiz title, okay. So simply come and then put it right here. So this is my first quiz title, which is quiz for the day, what do you know, okay. After that, simply come here to the quiz image and then come and then click on add image, okay. Over here you can simply come and then click on upload files and then come here to where we have the select files and then come and click on it and then come and select the image that you want to use for your quiz, okay. So I'm simply going to go through and then select one from the media and then click on it, okay. So after selecting it, it's going to be shown. Come and then optimize the title by putting in the name of the title here, copy and then paste it to the caption and then the description as well, okay. So when you're done, simply come down and then come and click on insert into post. So it has been inserted just like this one, and what you have to do is to simply come and then describe your quiz, okay, by writing something down and then come to the category and then come and click on it and select the category that we have created already. That is why we always create the categories first before creating the quiz, okay. And then come here to where we have the insert questions. You can simply come and then click on it to insert your question, or come down here to where we have insert questions and then come and click on this one, okay. So when you click on it, you have all these questions that you have created. You can select them manually, or you can simply come down here to where it says select all and then click on it. Every question is going to be selected and then simply come to where it says save and close and then click on it, okay. So great job, we have successfully created our quiz. What you have to do is that first come and then see that the quiz is live, and as you can see, the quiz is live, it is here. and then we have our category here as well. Okay, what we have to do now is that we have to post our quiz. Okay, so to post it, what you have to do is to simply come to the quiz that you want to post, and then come here to where we have the short code. Okay, that's the quiz short code. Come and then copy the short code by simply right clicking on it and then coming to click on copy. After that, simply go to the post. Okay, so the post, and then come and then click on add new post. Okay, so when you click on add new post, it is going to take you right here to the section, and then come and then add your post title by writing something here, and then come here to where we have the plus sign. Okay, and then come and then click on the plus sign and come and search for this blog name called short code. Okay, and then come and select it. After that, what you have to do is to simply come and then post our short code here. That is the quiz short code, and then come and then paste it. So we have successfully pasted it. What you have to do is to now publish it by simply coming to the publish, and then come and then click on it. Over here, when you are publishing it, you have the visibility option that you can choose, and then we have the publish, we have immediately, or you can schedule it. Okay, I'm simply going to post it now. So it is going to ask me, are you ready to post or publish? Simply say yes, and then come and then click on the publish, and as you can see, it has been published, and then you can come and click on view post right from here, or you can simply come to where it says view post and then click on it. So when you click on it, you will see all your posts right here. Okay, and then we have our quiz post right here. You can simply come to where we have the view and then click on it, and we are going to see our quiz. Okay, so this is our first quiz. To start it, what you have to do is to simply come and then click on the start. Okay, so when you click on it, this is the first question. All that you have to do is to simply come and then read it, select the answer, and then come and click on the next. It will take you to the next question. You have to read it, come and then select the answer just like this one. Come down, then come and then click on the next. Okay, to take you to the third question, you have to read it and then come down and select the answer just like this one. Then come and then click on the next. Okay, and then this is our final question. You read it, come down here, and then come and select the answer just like this one. And then since it's the final one, all that you have to do is to simply come and then click on the see results to see if you have passed or you have failed the quiz. Okay, so this is how to create your quiz, and this is the results. So congratulations on creating your first quiz. So as you can see, we have the results, and then we have the answers for each quiz. So if you had some wrong, you will see the answers. Okay, and then we have leave comments as well. So to see our quiz from our website, all that you have to do is to just go to the blog and then click on it, and then from the blog you are going to see all our blog posts here. Among them, we have our quiz here. So this is our quiz blog post, but as you can see from the other blog, we have the future image, but our quiz is not having a future image. Okay, so let me show you step by step how to add a future image to our quiz. Okay, so all that you have to do is to simply take the mouse, the name of your website, and then come and select dashboard. Okay, and then simply come here to the post side and then come and select all post. Okay, so click on all post, and then you are going to see that among them we have our blog post right here. Simply come here to where we have the edit, and then come and click on the edit, and now we can edit our blog post. Okay, so all that you have to do is to simply come and then make sure that the settings is checked, and then under it the post is also selected. Okay, and then simply come down here to where we have the featured image. Okay, and then come and click on select featured image. Okay, so when you click on it, you can choose from among them the image that you want to set as your future image. Okay, so I'm simply going to select this one. It looks more like a quiz. So after selecting it, you can simply come here to where it says set as featured image, and then come and click on it. So when you click on it, all that you have to do is to simply come and then click on the update for it to be updated for you. Okay, so as you can see, it has been updated, and now you can simply come and then click on view post. And over here, we are going to go directly to our website by simply coming to click on visit site. Okay, and then let's go to the blog by simply clicking on the blog, and then now you can see that our quiz is also having a featured image. Okay, so this is how to create a quiz using the quiz maker step by step. I hope you like the video. You have really enjoyed the steps so far. So simply like it, and then if you have any questions, leave it down in the comment down below and I'm going to get back to you. Okay.